Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we have something special for all you gamers out there. The Corsair NIGHT SWORD RGB Gaming Mouse, and spoiler alert. It's the best FPS gaming mouse you can find on the market right now. The Corsair NIGHT SWORD RGB is a performance-driven, tunable gaming mouse designed to elevate your gaming experience to a whole new level. With its cutting-edge features, it's no wonder this mouse is making waves in the gaming community. Let's dive right into the key features that make the Corsair NIGHT SWORD RGB stand out from the crowd. First off, we have the Smart Tunable Weight System. This is a Corsair exclusive feature that automatically detects the mouse's center of gravity in real time. Why does that matter? Well, it allows you to adjust the weight of the mouse between 119 grams and 141 grams, so you can fine-tune the balance to perfectly fit your grip. Customization at its finest. Next up, we have the Corsair's most advanced optical sensor yet. This mouse is equipped with a custom PixArt PMW3391 native 18,000 dpi optical sensor. It's adjustable in 1 dpi resolution steps, giving you total sensitivity customization and ultra-accurate tracking. You'll hit all your skill shots and stay zeroed in on your targets. Comfort is crucial during those long gaming sessions, and the Knight's Word RGB delivers. It's built with a contoured shape that naturally fits your hand, with high-performance rubber grips inspired by pro sports equipment. Your hand will thank you after hours of gameplay. Gamers love customization, and this mouse offers it in spades with 10 fully programmable buttons. You can customize your gaming experience with powerful macros and key remaps, giving you the in-game advantage you need. If you're a weight enthusiast, you'll appreciate the precise weight calibration. With 2 sets of weights and 6 mounting locations, you have over 120 different weight and balance configurations to experiment with. Find the perfect setup for your playstyle. We can't forget about durability. The Knight's Word RGB comes with ultra-durable Omron switches rated for more than 50 million clicks. This mouse is built to last through countless gaming battles. And for the tech-savvy gamers out there, the Corsair NIGHT SWORD RGB is IQ compatible. You can control dynamic 4-zone RGB lighting, create custom macros, and calibrate your mouse to your playing surface. It's intelligent control with unlimited possibilities. So, why do we think the Corsair NIGHT SWORD RGB is the best FPS gaming mouse? Well, it combines precision, comfort, and customization like no other. With its cutting-edge sensor, programmable buttons, and weight tuning, it's a gaming powerhouse. Plus, it's from a trusted brand like Corsair. That wraps up our overview of the Corsair NIGHT SWORD RGB Gaming Mouse. If you're serious about gaming and want the best tool for the job, this mouse should be at the top of your list. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Happy gaming, everyone!